Here we have Bissell upright corded vacuum cleaner that has active extension wand, automatic cord rewind, extra large dirt bin, and one pass technology. It has a clean view rewind, turbo brush tool, scatter free technology, and multi-cyclonic suction system. Let's see what's inside the box. This is all what came in the box, besides registration card and instruction booklet. There is base part, the wand, hose with dusting brush, pet turbo brush tool, and crevice tool, which is attached already to the wand. So let's assemble this. First step is to attach the wand to the base by pushing it down. One end of the hose is to be attached to the wand and turn clockwise to lock it. You can see here unlock and lock, so I need to go clockwise and twist it. That's attached. Other end of the hose goes on the tank by aligning up the slots and then twisting it clockwise again. Here we have a hose clip that we need to attach to the base by finding this slot and sliding it up and locking it. Important to say the hose need to be without any twist, like this. And hose can be secured to the base with this clip as well. And we have these two attachments. One is to be attached on the right side, like this, and other one goes on the left side. Now that we are ready to use it, first thing is to plug this cord in, which we need to pull out gently and plug it in the wall outlet. It will stop by itself when you pull it. If you need more, we can just pull more. And instructions say that there is a yellow line that we need to come to that and no more. And there is also a red line that is on the cord, and we should not pull more than that line. So once we plug it in, it's ready. To turn it on, we have this red button that we need to push with the feet or finger, and it will start it. Push it back again and it will turn off. And if we will have to lean the vacuum cleaner, then we need to push this gray button and it will lean down and lock it again if you push upright. Before I start, one important thing is that we have this level adjustment or height adjustment that goes from bare floor to high capacity, and suggestion is to go as slow as possible, and then if it's hard to move back and forth, we can go next level and see how it goes and find desirable level. Now for initial try, I'm gonna lean it back first and then press the red button. For demonstration purposes, I'm gonna sprinkle some small pieces of paper and see how it works and repeat previous step. looks like it works well. The suction is really good, so I'm pleased so far. Before I empty the tank, I like to show you how to use different attachments. And in order to do that, we need to release the wand. And we attach this hose here. And in order to use this brush, just need to attach it to the end and use it like that. When we like to use the turbo brush, pet turbo brush, we can use it like this with a hose, but instructions are recommending to take the hose off completely and attach it to the brush for the maximum suction, and this can be optional for each user. Although this brush is to be used on couches for the pet hair, I'm just gonna try to demonstrate it with small pieces of paper on the floor. Turn it on. And it works really well. So pleased so far. Once we're done using it, in order to store the cord or put it back in, we need to push this gray button here on this side, which I will do, but I need to rotate it to show you how cord goes back in. Once I push that button, cord goes by itself in, and that's all. Now we are ready to take the tank off. To do that, we need to press this gray button. It says empty on it, to separate it, and to take all this debris out. Push this button here to open the bottom of it and shake it off into garbage can. If you would love to, after a while, to clean the cyclone, so-called cyclone, as per instructions, you need to twist it counterclockwise, take this out and wash it under the sink. To put it back in, you need to line it up here, twist it clockwise, it will click, and that's it. Close the bottom lid, and it's ready to be used again. When it is used for a little bit longer, in order to clean the filter, here is the sponge filter that we can take out simply by pulling it out like that. Wash it under the sink with the warm water, put it back in after it's dried, and that will be it. Recommendation in instruction is to not use it after cleaning with the water for at least 24 hours to make it dry completely to avoid any accidents. And all we need to do is then close it and put this all back in till it clicks with this gray lock, and that's it. So I like this so far. I hope this video will help somebody else to decide to buy or not to buy. I will answer all questions best my ability. I'll appreciate comments to help me and other viewers to make their decisions. Thank you for watching.